going on YouTube? It is your back 007. Now I've made a video on this topic already. However, when I did that, I was on the incognito mode for YouTube. So this morning I checked YouTube and I'm now able to basically loop videos on my normal account. Now as you can see, this is my channel, and if I should click on a video, I'll have the option of looping such video. So let me do that. And as you can see, the video is currently playing. If I should click the three dots in the top right corner, I have the option to loop video. Now if I should turn this on, now as you can see, it is on, and move to the end of the video and let that play for the last few seconds. So as you can see, the video started over. So now my hypothesis on this is that it is now available for all accounts, because I've tried it on another account. Let me switch to another account and I'll try it and show you guys that it is not just on this account. Okay, so I'm on another channel, as you can see here. If I should go to your channel, this is another channel of mine which I'm just testing some things on, and let me play a video and let's see what happens. If I should click the three dots in the top right corner, as you can see, the loop video option is also available on this account. So basically it is available on multiple accounts, and it should be available on your accounts as well. And as I've said in the last video, when I did this, I was on incognito browser, or the incognito mode for YouTube. However, I'm not on the incognito mode right now, as you can see, and I'm able to loop videos on my mobile phone. So yeah, that is it, guys. Loop feature on YouTube mobile is now available. So it's a long awaited feature and you should check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Hacker 007 out.